Hi, my name is Caleb. I'm going to be answering these questions. What time of year can you see Scorpius? You can see Scorpius during June, which is in the summer. I made this cool box thing. What constellations can you see in March? Let's look for March. It's right here. You can see Leo the lion. And you can see Leo the lion in March. Why can't you see Orion in the summer? Well, because Orion's a winter. It's a winter constellation, and winter is completely opposite of summer. So there's no way you're gonna see Orion in the summer. What evidence do you have that? What evidence do you have that the Earth orbits the sun? This is a really good one because I have evidence that the Earth orbits the sun, which means the Earth goes around the sun. You see different constellations during different seasons, explaining why the Earth goes around the sun and not the sun goes around the Earth, because you see different constellations. Explain how you know that the Earth revolves around the sun using evidence from today's lesson. So this is the same thing, actually. Well, for number 4, what evidence you have that the Earth orbits the sun? Another piece is that that you have different seasons. That's it too. If you wouldn't have different seasons, if the sun orbited us, it would just be the same thing. Okay, now explain how you know that the Earth revolves around the sun using today's evidence from the lesson. It orbits around the sun because we see different constellations. I already kind of explained that. Explain that when it's daytime on Earth, we are facing the sun and see no stars other than the sun. And show how when it is nighttime on Earth, we can see different stars. Imagine this was the Earth, right? This is us. My bottom of my hand is us. This is some other place opposite of us. If this is the sun right here, this is the sun. It's shining at us. And it's shining at us, so that's way too bright in our atmosphere for us to see any other stars. But when my hand is turning, then the sun's going to be down here, and it's going to be nighttime because the sun's not shining on us. So you're going to see all the other stars. So every time it rotates, and the sun stays right here. Our Earth is moving. Our Earth is moving in circles. Right here is us, and this is the sun. Earth is moving, and the sun's shining so brightly that you can't see any stars down here. But when it turns, you can see stars because it's midnight or it's pretty dark. Explain how different stars are visible at different times of the year. This is a good one. Different stars are visible at different times of the year because, look at this thing. So, the constellations stay right where they are. And if you want to look, so it shows, like you turn this brass at the bottom, and that'll turn this little piece of paper that shows different months. So, explain how different. So different stars are visible at different times of the years because stars stay right there. They move like a little tiny bit, but they still stay right in their spot. We can see them at different times of the year because let's say this is the Earth circle around this. This is the sun, and the Earth circles around all the way around the sun. Imagine if we're right here in springtime. How about we say? If we're right here in springtime, we can see, and this side of the inside side of my finger is shining on with the sun. The outside is midnight. When it's turning around while the Earth is spinning, you can see it at different times of the year because every time the Earth spins at spring, you see different constellations. You can't see any constellations in the morning, but you see them at night. And when it's moving, those constellations stay right there. When it's moving now, you can see the constellations for winter. Now you can see the constellations for fall. Now you can see the constellations for summer. So That's why you see different stars at different times of the year.
What evidence
Explain how
that Earth orbits
explain
the sun
how
as well?
as the Earth
Yeah, but
explain how as the
I
Earth
just kind of
orbits
explained it
the
already.
sun, the sun's stars become visible at the same point in
This
orbit.
is
Okay, explain. Let me read that again. I don't get that.
story.
Explain how as the Earth orbits the sun, the same stars become
summer.
visible at the same
No,
point.
yeah, summer.
The Earth orbits the sun, the same stars become visible at the same point.
Oh, sorry, I
orbit.
did 6. I did the last one wrong. This is right here. Right
I
here.
think it's
Like,
explain how the Earth orbits the sun.
it's actually winter.
Explain. This is what it says. Explain how, as the Earth orbits the sun, the same stars become visible at the same point in orbit. I don't really get this question. They make it
One of
sound.
them needs an S. Is that one?
It's
No, number 8.
fine.
Explain how as Earth orbits the sun, the same stars become visible at the same point in that orbit. So, if we're in an orbit around the sun, every time we get to this spot, the same stars are out there
Oh.
every time we get
Yeah.
there.
Okay. Thank you. So, like, let's say, like, what he just showed. If we see stars right here, they stay there, right? When we go all the way around the year, they still stay right there, so we can always see them. If this is summer right here, this is fall, this is winter, this is spring, I don't know. But if this is summer, we go one whole entire year all the way back, you can see that same constellation one whole year, see that same constellation, same point, invisible at the orbit, at that point in orbit. So that is the end of my video. I hope you learned some things. Bye.
Time on Earth.